Welcome to the first test of the rocket tub. Start your fire in the fire chamber. Left and right at the back of the fire chamber is the two exhaust flues. We chose the worst rainy and windy winter's day in the Cape for the test. Our starting water temperature is 10.8 degrees Celsius at 12 o'clock. We used a soft black wattle wood. Once the fire is lit, you can close the sliding door. With 2 square meter heating surface, we are 25% more efficient than our closest rival. Once your fire is going, you can close the fire chamber door. This will reduce your combustion rate and increase fuel efficiency. The heat that is generated is in contact with the tub's dot surface for 2 meters. This makes the rocket tub 400% more effective than some other tubs. The flue has a double wall to reduce the risk of burning. After 1 hour, we increased the temperature with 6.4 degrees Celsius. One hour and a half in, we increased the temperature with 12.3 degrees. Bubbles started forming on the bottom, where the flue pipes run underneath. After 2 hours, we reached 32 degrees. Keep in mind that we had rain and strong wind while doing the test. If the tub was insulated from the elements, we would have had a much faster heating up time. We only used 1 batch of wood for the whole test. After 3.5 hours, the tub was still warm from the same batch of wood.